Today we'll be learning how the Haas Through-Spindle Coolant or TSC system works. Through-spindle coolant is typically used to remove chips from holes while drilling or tapping. Traditional flood coolant has a difficult time getting into holes and removing chips, especially as the holes get deeper relative to their diameter. When chips are left in the bottom of a hole, your tool is constantly in contact with these chips. These chips can make the hole oversized, can ruin surface finish, and can wear your tool out prematurely. Not only that, without TSC, you'll be doing lots of peck drilling, which increases cycle time every time you drill a hole. Let's look at how Haas does TSC. The pump is the heart of the system, pulling coolant from your coolant tank through the spindle and into your tool by way of a rotating union and high pressure hoses. Now we get to the part that is often misunderstood, the relationship between pressure and volume, and how this relates to the tool you choose and the orifice size in that tool. The pressure you actually get at the tip of your tool will vary. Let me explain. Use a large tool with large orifices and you can see how much coolant is coming out. But look at the pressure. Now let's change to a smaller diameter tool with much smaller through holes and you can see how the pressure has increased, but the volume is much lower. The TSC system you get will either be 300 psi or 20.7 bar or 1000 psi, 68.9 bar. But that just means that the system is capable of these pressures. So how does this information apply to you? Let's set some general guidelines so that you can choose the right system for the job. For work requiring holes of about 3/16 of an inch, about 5 millimeters or larger, and this includes 1032 tapped holes, you're probably fine using TSC 300. The 300 psi system also works great for big drills that need the extra volume at lower pressure to push out the much larger chips they create. But when you get to holes smaller than 3/16 of an inch, 5 millimeter diameter, or that are deeper than 5 times their diameter, you'll probably need a higher pressure system. This is where our TSC 1000 system comes in. Here you need the extra pressure to push through the tiny holes in the drill or lift the chips out of really deep holes. Hopefully, this helps you decide which through-spindle coolant system is right for your application. Thanks for watching.